guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Celie here, I think that's how it's pronounced, and they sent me this beautiful pre-cut glueless straight 24 inches unit. As you can see, it is glueless. No glue, no spray, no nothing. The only thing I did with this wig was to bleach it and obviously add makeup and hot comb, straighten it and all of that. But when it comes on to like cutting the lace, doing the most, no, it was very easy to install. But before we jump into the specs of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So the package came like this, and inside they sent me the bag to put my wig in when I'm done wearing it. They sent me their information card with their social media handles and pretty much how to care for the hair. They sent me some stocking cap, and it is the new HD wig cap that everyone's wearing right now. They also sent me some bonnets. They sent some, I think this helps with gripping your wig so it doesn't like slide off your head, but as you can see I did not use it, and this wig is pretty snug. Like I can move my head around and it doesn't feel like it's lifting. It's very snug, but not snug to the point where it's uncomfortable. They also sent me some baby hair combs. They sent me some Celie headband, but I didn't need to use it because I didn't glue the wig down, I didn't spray it or anything like that, so you don't need to use it. But if you want to like use it to install other wigs, then obviously you have it. They sent me some lashes. They sent me some grab clip and some headscarf just to put around your hair, to accessorize your hair. Now for the wig. So this wig is pre-cut, like I said, glueless. The parting space is 6 times 5, meaning that I think the middle part is 5 inches and then going across it is 6 inches. So you have enough parting space. If you want to do a side part, you can actually do a side part, and if you want to keep it in the middle, then you can keep it in the middle, but you have enough parting space to work with. Also, the construction of this wig was very impressive. The fact that it wasn't constructed with like the regular wig cap, and you know sometimes the regular wig cap, it gets hot, especially in the summer times. It gets hot, and if you have the stocking cap and then the wig cap, and then the wig being so heavy and like it makes you sweaty, your ear starts itching, and then it just becomes so uncomfortable. So the way they constructed this wig is very breathable, so it's not heavy. I did show you guys the inside of the wig when I was installing the wig, so you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, overall the construction of this wig was to the point, to the T. Like it's giving very much summer ready, because you know when it's hot in the summer times, nobody wants to be gluing down their wig and then the wig is sliding off and then the glue is all over your head and then the back of the wig is hot and it's just uncomfortable, you know. So if you're supposed to purchase this wig from Celie here, you won't have to deal with none of that. But if you guys would love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I be work. See me do me dirt. Just love me by that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work.
slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
You send me up there, work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the cat from my church.
So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Celie here for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. So if I have a coupon code or anything like that, or any discount code, everything will be down in the description box. If you guys love to purchase it, then definitely check the link below. Also, comment down if you guys are living for the glueless wigs, because I've been living for it. Like, listen, I'm not in the mood to be gluing my wigs down every 2 seconds. Like, I can't. No, I'm not doing it. But yeah, let me know if you guys are living for the glueless wigs, because I know I am for sure. But if you guys are, then definitely let me know in the comment section. But once again, this is the end of this video, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.